The last 1 year, we have been doing a series of data boot camps across the country. Today, we are here in Rajiv Gandhi Health Sciences University in Bangalore, which is the Silicon Valley of India. And we had almost 100 journalists, data editors, data researchers, doctors, senior consultants from across the Karnataka. And what we are doing through these workshops is that, which is a kind of unique collaboration we are building in different parts of the country. They were bringing journalists, watchdog reporters, doctors, data researchers together so that we build a community of people who have an interest in healthcare, who have an interest in data-driven reporting and evidence-based healthcare. And this workshop is remarkable in that way because we got industry leaders also becoming part of this debate. We've got a civil society, the BPAC, for example, which is a leading think tank, civil society initiative in Bangalore, being part of this initiative. We've got Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw as an industry leader becoming part of it. We've got David Kaplan from the Global Investigative Journalism Network from Washington joining us in the morning through a video link. And as David said, this is the best time to be a watchdog reporter because we have to make systems accountable.
First and foremost, I must congratulate data leads for conducting this boot camp on the importance of data in healthcare. And I'm very pleased as president of BPAC to be supporting and partnering in this program. Now, I think what we've heard this morning is extremely, extremely important, and that is data, and without data, we cannot build a credible healthcare ecosystem in the country. You just heard that there are some alarming statistics coming out, but we just don't have credible data, and we are not investigating to create credible data to answer certain important healthcare issues. Why are the health metrics in a state like Karnataka so poor? Why is the suicide rate in Karnataka so high? Why is it that we have a certain prevalence of a certain disease or a certain infectious disease in a certain area of the country? We simply report these facts, but we don't even bother to investigate why. I think we have to be data driven. We have to start getting into evidence-based medicine, evidence-based health economics, and without that we cannot build a sustainable healthcare system. So I think this boot camp is going to throw up a lot of those issues, and I really hope that we start seeing more investigative journalism that starts addressing really serious issues in healthcare that we as a country, we as a state are facing.
I think I met a lot of wonderful people today at the boot camp here. And I like the positivity, I like the optimism, I like the fact that we're not just talking about the problems, we're also thinking of solutions, and we're thinking of having a network together. I think it was a day well spent, and I hope it's just a beginning of a long association together. I had a great time.
I think this entire initiative is fantastic. I think the requirement of good data to analyze the health situation in the country is very, very critical. This is a particular initiative which has very, very far-reaching consequences. Our child mortality is very high on several areas. We have a lot of children dying. The other day there was a study, children dying because of cancer, which is curable cancer. And if we knew why these children are dying, we normally assume that cancer is not curable. But if we went deeper into it, child cancer is curable. And therefore, if we had good data on it and we understood this and we put a lot of preventive money into some of these things, then we would improve child mortality. So there are many such issues that can be studied, and I think it's a very important area, and I'm very glad that we are working together on this health analytics platform.
I think the biggest issue around data in India is the lack of it, the accuracy of the data and the sheer lack of adequate data, especially when it comes to public health care. A lot of the data that exists is outdated, but I think workshops like this are a great opportunity to get all the people who work in different silos into the same room and try to make the connections that have not been made.
We are very happy, that this workshop is being held in Bangalore. As an ardent Bangalorean, I believe that this is the city where new ideas can take shape, can create a new idea, can be set up as an exemplar that can be emulated across the country.
I think data is extremely important for us to provide appropriate and quality health care. We need to understand the prevalence and incidence of diseases. We need to understand our own outcomes as a society, and we need to collect our own data to compare our results with the benchmarks. We need to achieve a system that will help us collect data appropriately, analyze it, and use it effectively.
The best part of this workshop is that there was nothing rhetoric about any of the sessions, and each of the sessions helped me understand new things. And I also like the fact that it was hands-on, and we were given acquaintance and orientation towards softwares for data analysis. I think that was the most helpful bit for me.
Even though efforts are constantly being made to improve the way data is being collected and reported in our country, a lot still needs to be done, and that is where camps like this or workshops like this have a huge role to play, because in a boot camp like this there is an assembly of journalists, doctors, people who are in the social service sector, all of whom have one common denominator, that is they want to help other people.
I have presented some data that's available from the Lancet Group Commission that looked at global surgery and the provision of core surgical procedures as a method of improving public health worldwide. When we look at India, we have massive gaps in the data because the data acquisition, sharing and information provision is lacking woefully. And this is a good reminder to us that we all need to get our act together, the institutions to collaborate, to societies to bring out data, the government to drive and spearhead the challenge of putting data out that will help to drive public policy, direct spending, and let us focus on the important areas that can improve our public health.
I must thank everyone at HAI and Syed, everybody else for organizing this wonderful boot camp. I hope all the sessions have been very inspiring. I must admit I'm buzzing with ideas, and I hope I can be a little less afraid of numbers now, and hopefully be able to use numbers more confidently.
Today a one-day workshop is being organized at Rajiv Gandhi Health University premises from the data leads, which is a very good move and should continue in various other centers. So should thereby we can have some thought process going on and how to improve our data collections.
I'd like to thank the data leads and the health analytics team to call me for this boot camp Karnataka. This edition, like the previous ones, was a fantastic experience, both in terms of learning and also hearing from the participants, which comprised of public health experts, doctors, journalists and administrative leads from various universities, and also very senior people from civic institutions. And the discussions that we had around data, around investigative journalism, around how we can use data to better deliver services and to ideate on solutions on the big public health issues that we have was really endearing, and I'm very glad that I participated for both the learning that it gave me and also for the partnerships that we formed.
How to use data, how to clean data, what are the tools you can use to understand data. I think such awareness can help bring about citizen accountability in everyday lives, and also help make our politicians and elected representatives accountable for their actions. Overall, I think the whole idea of open data is something we must all work together to move towards, and I hope to see such more initiatives in the future.
This bootcamp in Karnataka is the third in a series of data workshops across the country. Today, one of the best sessions that we had was with Mr. David Kaplan, head of the Global Investigative Journalism Network. David spoke about how the time is right for data journalists and investigative journalists to use technology and tell better stories and report and write in a much better and data-driven way.